from the unique punishment in this week's Sedra of the earth opening up its mouth and swallowing Korach, Dasan, Aviram, their families, their belongings, we understand how terrible is machlokus. And Chazal, both in Shas and the Midrash, and all the way to the present day, say how terrible, how poisonous is an atmosphere of machlokus. The Chofetz Chaim, in confronting the major machlokus in his town of Reidin, said the following: what is the point of learning Torah and keeping the mitzvahs if we have machlokus? The Midrash Shevet Musar says that at that time of the uprising, the mon stopped falling just for that day. It fell the time of the Chet HaEgel, it fell the time of the Chet HaMeraglim, and all the other terrible things that happened in the Midbar, in the desert, but not on that day. We see the machlokas in many guises, but just to focus on one aspect, the words of Dasan and Aviram, who accuse Moshe Rabbeinu of taking them out of Eretz Zavat Chalav U'Davash. That's how they refer to Egypt. And then they say, and you didn't bring us to Eretz Zavat Chalav U'Davash. And they talk about Nachalas Sodeh V'Cherem. What do they mean by that? The foreigner says, they're saying, you know all these halachas, agricultural laws of Eretz Yisrael, mitzvot atuliyos ba'aretz? It's all a sham, it's all fake, because we're never going to get there. And it's all your fault. And that is how they threw this at Moshe. One has no reply to that. Moshe said, can we talk? No, this is what you've done. And when that happens, Moshe knows that there's just no way out of this. Machlokas is really poisonous. However, we do see when there's another reference to this whole story in Parshas Pinchas, which is referring again to Dasan and Aviram, more than to Korach, we're told, V'nei Korach lo mesu. In fact, the sons of Korach did not die, and we're told that they did teshuvah, and we know that they composed 11 of the Tehillim, and some remarkable ones. So words that we're very familiar with from Shabbos Miraz, Soma nashi lelokim lekel choi, my soul thirsts for Hashem, the living God, and we really long for Hashem. That's their words. It's their words that we say at a Shiva house. It's their words that we say just before Tekiyah Shofar. So let's take a message from the sons of Korach and fight against machlokas.